Abu Bakr bin Abi Shayba narrated the hadith from us. He said, Waqi narrated the hadith from us. He narrated it from Shubi'e. He narrated it from Hakkam. He narrated it from Abd al-Rahman ibn Abi Lali. He narrated it from Hazrat Samurah ibn Jundab. May God be pleased with him. In the same way Abu Bakr bin Abi Shayba narrated the hadith from us. He said, Waqi narrated the hadith from us. He narrated the hadith from Shubha and Sufyan. He narrated it from Habib. He narrated it from Maymun bin Abi Shayba. And he narrated it from Hazrat Mughira bin Shubha. On the authority of Radiyallahu Anhu, both of them said, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said this. Abu Bakr bin Abi Shayba, as well as Muhammad bin Muthna and Ibn Bashar said, Muhammad bin Jafar, Khandar, narrated a hadith from us from Shubi'e. He narrated from Mansur. He narrated from Rabi bin Harash that he narrated from Hazrat Ali. May God be pleased with him. I heard from Manu, while he was delivering the sermon, he said, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, do not lie to me. Surely whoever lies to me will enter hellfire. On the authority of Hazrat Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, he said, the Messenger of Allah, may God bless him and grant him peace, said, whoever deliberately lies to me, let him make his abode in the fire.